Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Capricorn Earth sign. This is mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Capricorn. So your recent past Capricorn, Page of Wands, Ace of Cups, High Priestess. I think you both could be in communication definitely. Your person is very good looking and one person in this connection is very good looking, handsome and popular. I think the love between both of you is overflown. I think trust your intuition definitely. One person is follows their intuition regarding this connection. So what is going on your connection right now? Let's see. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Six of Cups. The Devil. Seven of Wands. I think you both have strong soulmate connection, past life connection. I think your person could be Capricorn or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of water energy, or Aries, Leo, Sag could be, because fire energy is here. Definitely one person is not giving up on this connection, even if there are obstacles in this connection. I think one person is addicted to some bad habits, or you both could obsessed with each other. So I think some obstacles are there, but one person don't want to give up on this connection. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Capricorn, your person near future actions towards you. Rebirth, Ten of Swords. The Burden, Six of Swords. Lot of readings also got. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Breakthrough. 1 minute guys. Okay. I think some cycles are going to be end. The Burden, this could be long distance relationship. Justice, breakthrough means justice. I think reconciliation for some, because justice is here. I think your person want to resolve the things between both of you. Ten of Swords, some cycles are going to be end. Definitely they will make a move towards you. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. The Miser. I think your person is not expressive. They are not expressing their feelings. They are hiding their feelings and emotions. The Source, Ace of Wands. Yeah, new beginnings. I already told. They want reconciliation with you. Projection, Seven of Cups. They are fantasizing about you a lot. Your person. So last card for the reading. Wow, Courage. Strength. Definitely they are gaining strength to come towards you and ask second chance. Because whatever happened between both of you in past, they're feeling very sad. Some negative cycles are going to be end. This could be long distance relationship. They are coming towards you. They are gaining their strength and they are stand by their power and they want a new beginning with you. Because Ace of Wands is here and breakthrough, justice is here. Definitely for some there is reconciliation and new start. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.